Nearly 60 million people are injured in the United States every year. When this happens, they place their lives in the hands of a highly trained hospital staff like the ones at St. Ignatius. Every day, these noble doctors and nurses deal with life and death, and then they struggle with their own personal problems. This is Trauma Center! Just after beating Nurse Stephen, Dr. Mangels makes his way to the doctor's lounge, with Nurse Kitty trailing fast behind him. Up in Dr. Hightower's office, Nurse Stephen bursts in. He's a little upset about the treatment he's been receiving in the workplace.
Yes, that's right. I had a positive attitude, and now that positive attitude is... What the fuck?
Dr. Hightower? I would like to speak to you.
Well, all right. What is the problem?
Look at my eye. Do you see? I tried to cover it up with makeup. Dr. Mangels has hit me and almost killed me.
What?
Yes, my hip hurts. Now I'm walking funny.
What the two of you? What? How did this happen? How did you get in a fight with our main cardiologist?
I don't know. I don't know what happened. He just went crazy. And I think it was because of head nurse Kitty. That's what it was. She made him crazy. She made him crazy. It's not his fault. It's not his fault. It's not. It's not Dr.
Nurse Stephen, I have had just about enough of your drama. What is wrong with you? He is our head cardiologist. Do you think that you are worth even a tiny little bit of what he is worth to this hospital? Now you will apologize to him for whatever it is you did. Oh God. Please don't cry. Please. Please don't. Remind me of my brother when you cry. Don't cry!
I'm sorry. You just said that I'm useless and that you don't need me. I'll just go.
You're not useless. You're just lower on the totem pole.
That's useless. I'm gonna go. I'll resign.
Dr. Tilly Olsen treats a patient. He has come in, severe trauma to the head.
Right this way.
I've got severe trauma to the head.
I can tell. Sit down. How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
2. Now.
1.
I'm a mastermind. Now how many fingers?
2. Listen.
I just saved your life.
Thank you. It's just the pain is so hard. The pain in my head it's in the pain in my stomach. I'm feeling pain everywhere. I mean,
What happened to you?
well, I was changing a light bulb and I fell and I got a severe trauma to the head.
How many fingers?
2.
You'll be fine.
I have
Take
some
some aspirin.
I have some Oxycontin in my bag that I brought in, a full bottle of it. Just a.
Why do you have Oxycontin? Why do you have such hard, powerful drugs?
Well,
as a light bulb changer,
Well,
what do you need with such powerful drugs?
Well, I'm a pharmacist, and well, you see, I just prescribed myself some pain medication when severe trauma.
You should never self-medicate. Self-medicating leads to selling yourself on the street to drug dealers named Macintosh who treat you poorly and threaten your loved ones.
It's just the pain. Oh God! It's
I know.
Nurse Sarah walks through the halls of the hospital and comes upon a just awakening Dr. Blatt.
I promise, if I have you, I'll never name you Roman.
What the hell is going on?
Dr. Blatt! Dr. Blatt, can you hear me?
Nurse Sarah!
What are you...
Where's Tiberius? Where's Tiberius Madison?
Dr. Madison left. He went back to Africa.
That bastard!
Are you okay? Dr. Blatt, I think you need to sit down. What's going on?
I'm not sure, but if I may recap a little bit. The ambulance fellow went crazy. I tried to calm him down. I came out, find the 2 Madison doctors, Tiberius and Teddy, they were fighting. I rehired Teddy because he got fired. I fired Tiberius, then he injected some sort of poison in my neck and said, "Good luck using your hands." From what I can assess, some sort of weird African poison.
It's the African Tiberius poison.
Yes, that's short name
Dr.
for
Blatt, you have to
Parkinson's
be in surgery.
of the arms.
You have to be in surgery in 5 minutes.
Or what? How do you know so much about African curses?
Because I'm the smartest nurse.
It's uncontrollable. Tell me what's going to happen in 5 minutes, nurse. This is the most serious I've ever been.
If you don't get me cure in 5 minutes, my legs will do it too.
My legs? Dear God, we've got to get me to surgery.
Dr. Madison, Dr. Teddy Madison, comes back to the hospital and runs into Dr. Green.
Dr. Green?
Yes?
I suppose I can check these things in with you.
Dr. Madison, what are you doing?
My ID. My stethoscope. My pocket thing. My goggles. You saved me
Yes,
from
and your gloves, and your clipboard, and everything else!
I don't need them anymore!
Dr. Madison, I'm going to ask you one more time. Why are you out of uniform?
I'm still in uniform and just wearing a shirt over. I was fired. My father, my own father fired me. After I told him that all I wanted to do was be a doctor. And he tore up my certificate of doctorification.
So, now all you want to be is a doctor, Doctor. Last time I talked to you, you wanted to be an artist.
That was a long time ago. It was before I fell in love. It was before Super AIDS. And before a lot of things. I know now that these hands are healing hands. That lot of good it does me without a certificate of doctorification.
Dr. Madison, I've been waiting all this time to see that gleam in your eye, to know that you want to save people's lives.
More than anything.
And I can end your pain because it just so happens that I can give you another writ of doctorification. Is that funny? Is that funny? I just offered you exactly what you want and you laughed at me!
What cause, Doctor? I have to be lying and amoral like you and the rest of the people here at St. Ignatius?
Oh. I don't know if you've been around, but I save people's lives. I'm 100%! I've never lost a patient!
No, you think you're God. You think you're better than everyone.
I am a god, and I am better than everyone.
I'm not sure I'm willing to become that type of person, Doctor.
Then fine. Go off and disappoint your parents and show your father that he was right. Go be an artist!
I don't know what to do. My whole life just is falling apart.
Reinstated as an ambulance driver, but nowhere near having his full mental facilities, RUBEN picks up a patient. She's in need of help, but not the kind he's offering.
Right this way, ma'am. Right this way.
Kind of hoping you put me on a gurney or something.
Oh, man, it's a beautiful day. Good day for a walk. Good for the legs.
Ow!
Hey, listen, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
I noticed I didn't see a ring on this finger, and, well, next week is the Hemingway High School reunion, and, you know, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, God, lady! Lady, get up! Okay. I'm an ambulance guy. I can do this. Okay. Look into my eyes, lady. I'm gonna give you the kiss of life.
God! God!
You breathe. You breathe because these lips breathe life into you.
What the hell kind of place is this?
This is a place I like to call Dreamland. It's where magic happens. It's where healing happens one kiss at a time. And if you'd like full rehab, I have a styptic pencil I would like to introduce to you.
I would like to introduce you to my right fist.
Yeah, Roman likes it dirty too.
Going over to St. Thomas, you fucker.
Well, you win some, you lose some, but hey.
Nurse Stephen, before he resigns, is forced to apologize to the infinitely better Dr. Mangels.
Nurse Stevens? Dr. Mangels, I know you're very upset with me, but I have something to say.
Continue.
You probably don't know this about me, but I'm actually very sorry for what I did.
Well, good God, man, you should be!
I didn't mean to try to kill Nurse Kitty. It's just that she's been...
Did you know my wife was pregnant?
Well, no.
God, what would happen if I lost that baby? I just don't know. And I don't know what I'd do to you either. Nurse Stevens.
Dr. Mangels, please don't hate me. Because
why?
I love you. I've always loved you. I've been hiding my love for you. And then I just snapped. And I know you're not gay or nothing like that. But I really do love you.
At that very moment, Dr. Mangels' wife is checking on an ultrasound with Dr. Green.
I'm a little scared. I haven't had one of these yet.
Well, in approximately 8.5 months, seems like you're going to. Nurse Kitty, you are indeed pregnant.
Is it okay? The baby's okay? Because, you know, Nurse Stephen, he hit me in the stomach a couple times. I mean, I got him good a couple other times, but, you know, he hit me. So.
Well, that's what I have to tell you, Nurse Kitty, is that it's not okay. Your baby.
What?
Your baby is in the early stages of brain damage.
No! No!
Now, Nurse Kitty, you have two choices. We can bring the baby to term and hope that the brain damage doesn't really affect it. Although, being the top neurosurgeon in St. Ignatius, I'm sure that it will. Or, we can go in right now and try to fix it.
Fix the baby in utero?
I'm a god!
That's amazing!
I can do anything!
You are a god!
I
Should I really make this decision all by myself?
Nurse,
Scalpel, doctor.
lube her up. We're going in.
Nurse Sarah takes the rapidly ailing Dr. Blatt to the only doctor she trusts, Dr. Teddy Madison. Speaking of Roman, he goes to see one of his former flames, a Dr. Tilly Olsen.
You see, first you must do a penance. Get down upon your hands and knees. And whatever you do, don't look upon my visage, for it shall blind thee in majestic, insane, divine pleasure.
Of course, St. Ignatius.
Yes, now bow to Mary, Mother of the Christ. Bow to her deeply.
Oh, Mary, Mother of the Christ.
Deeper.
Oh.
Deeper.
Yes.
Okay, now you might want to clench your teeth a little bit.
I did not see that coming. James Avery, President of the Board of the Directors, comes into Dr. Hightower's office. Could there possibly be a romance?
Could you please just let me not be disturbed for 5 minutes? Shit, hold on. Well.
You didn't think I'd come back, did ya, Hightower?
I hoped in my wildest dreams that you would come back. You make me feel like a cat.
It's in our teens when we did stuff. And then in our 20s, you did stuff to me. In our 30s, we did stuff to each other. And now that you're 40, what do you say we do some more stuff?
I think you should do some stuff to me.
Overheard you saying that you didn't want to be disturbed. Disturbing problems going on in this hospital, Hightower?
This hospital's falling to shit. Rapes, murders, brain-damaged children, super AIDS, heart cysts, people flapping their arms around. God knows. But let's think about sex.
I was already doing it. So, after tonight...
I'm sorry, but I couldn't help but overhear our lust-filled conversation. May I play through?
Play through. And remember, no one came out here to see you lay up.
I don't know what that means.
I'll be right back. There's some ultrasonic jelly I think might enhance the situation.
Marjorie Madison is at Sylvia's, waiting for the lunch date she always has with her son. When something awful happens.
It's not like him to be late. Gee. Oh no. Oh my God, a papermate pen. It's the same kind of pen Teddy always uses. Why are those people in the kitchen making so much noise? What's happening? Why would Teddy's pen be here and Teddy's not here? Oh dear God. This happened once in 4th grade when he was having trouble at school and he left the pen for me. This must mean I need to go to the hospital. Something bad has happened to my Teddy. That's it. Just run and go to the hospital and everything will be fine. No!
Your cheese plate? Oh. Oh, God.
Oh, dear.
You're bleeding profusely. God, I wish there was another table here.
Oh, no.
Is there a doctor in the house?
Oh, dear God.
We return to Nurse Stephen and Dr. Mangels right where they left off.
Listen, Nurse Stevens, I accept your apology.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, all right. Personal space, all right, okay. The LUVEN needs to stay with you, man, okay? I'm married. Married to a beautiful, beautiful nurse who's going to have a baby soon. A beautiful baby. May not be mine, but I love her.
It's not your baby.
I know, it's Roman Czervik's baby, but that doesn't matter. I'm sick of all this craziness at St. Ignatius. I'm not the type of doctor I've wanted to be. Hell, I beat you up. I had super AIDS. I've had it. I'm leaving St. Ignatius. Take me with you. We could run away. Listen, I've been offered a job at St. Thomas as head of cardiology.
Take me with you. Please. I love you.
Why do you keep saying that? Damn it, man. Fine, I love you too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my God.
I knew it. I knew it.
All right. Kenny! Totally getting weird, man. Totally getting weird.
But you said you loved me.
But not in that homosexual way.
No, not at all. And if Nurse Kitty, if she was dead, then you wouldn't have a wife. And then we could run away together. Don't you see? We can all be perfect. It all could be perfect. We could run away together.
Maybe it's just this crazy gay talk that you're putting in my ears. But there is something very nice about the touch of a man.
Dr. Green finds Dr. Olsen. Moments after that last scene we saw Dr. Olsen in.
Kahlil. St. Ignatius just raped me.
Tilly, that pales into comparison to what just happened to me.
What?
I lost my first patient.
St. Ignatius just raped.
And I lost my first patient! What part of that didn't you hear?
We're being punished.
We are. We are, Tilly. But that baby didn't do anything! Why punish that baby?
Don't ask St. Ignatius, whatever you do.
Tilly,
Kahlil.
I've gotten used to your craziness in these past couple of weeks. It actually is quite calming. And I knew that you were the only one who would understand the pain that I'm going through right now.
So you're going to go to heaven and kill St. Ignatius? For me? Please?
Well, why not, silly? Why not kill St. Ignatius? I've already killed! It was only 3 weeks old! Only 3 weeks old! It came burning out! I killed it, silly! I killed it!
I stopped doing drugs for this!
Boy, I really didn't see that one coming. Now we go to Nurse Kitty with Nurse Elaine. Obviously, she's feeling bad.
Your vitals are fine. I'm really sorry. The morgue wanted to know if you wanted to name him.
Oh, God!
Just, I can tell them. You want me to pick a name? Would that be easier to...
Behold, I heard the cry of someone in need. St. Ignatius arrives.
What about Ignatius? That's a great name. You can name him Ignatius.
I will.
After the hospital where he was conceived.
All right, I'll go tell the morgue.
My child, may I ask, who is this delightful soul you choose to name after myself?
My baby.
Your baby?
My dead bastard peanut baby.
What?
Wait a
minute.
What's wrong with you?
Kitty?
Roman?
Kitty?
Roman, our baby's dead. Our baby, I got hit in the stomach, and then we tried to have neurosurgery because otherwise he might be brain dead, and the baby died. The baby died in surgery.
You let that old man operate on our baby?
No, I let Dr. Green operate on our baby. He's a world-renowned surgeon.
Green? So it was Green who's the killer of babies all along?
No, he didn't do it on purpose. He was trying to save him, Roman. He
Green.
was trying to save the baby. He was trying to save Ignatius, the little baby Ignatius.
Green, you're gonna pay.
Ignatius Czervik.
In the name of Ignatius Czervik, you're gonna pay, Green! You're gonna pay!
Nurse Sarah and Dr. Teddy are rejoicing when a patient stabbed at a restaurant by a pen is brought in. Outlook bleak.
And then we're going to have 5 more babies. And then we're going to open our own hospital. And I'll be a doctor. And you'll be a doctor.
And we'll be doctors together.
And your mother can babysit.
Yeah, the thing about Mom is we don't get along too well, though, so maybe we can have your parents do it. Your mom's
I need a doctor.
Oh, dear.
Oh, my God, Mom!
Oh, Mom!
Put her on the table.
Dear God.
What happened?
I was serving her a cheese plate, and she...
I found your pen, dear. I
found your pen and I tripped and fell and it...
Oh my God! My pen is buried in my mom's abdomen!
Oh, jeez, Mom.
Teddy, her pulse is faint.
I can't do it!
Teddy!
I can't operate on my own mom! Sarah, you have to do it!
Teddy, I'm just a nurse.
I know.
I'm not ready for operations.
I know, but you have to. You're the only one that can. Oh God, I can't even go close to her. It just makes me all weird.
Okay. You give me a tin plate and water. Stat. Now.
Okay. He's the waiter from Sylvia's.
It's okay. Teddy, you've got to snap out of this.
Okay.
She's our babysitter.
What can I do? What can I do?
Hold her head.
Oh, okay.
Just don't look down.
Mom, it's Teddy. Mom? Can you hear me?
Hello, dear.
Mom?
How are you?
Oh, you're gonna be okay. Oh,
This
God.
is gonna hurt.
Oh, I can hear it squishing.
We return to Dr. Hightower making out with James Avery when something terrible, something dastardly occurs.
I might just be drunk, but I swear it was talking to me.
It's real rum.
What do you think? You're gonna have fake rum around here? It's real?
Yeah, it's real.
Damn, that is real. Nice.
Run away with me. Come on. I mean, let me pull my pants up before I get all poetic on you. Listen, I know I've been a really good guy, and I didn't give you what you wanted, and I know you put yourself into this job, and I fucked a lot of women in a lot of different towns.
I don't care. I love you. I love you.
Run away with me?
I will, yes. My whole life is changing. Finally. Finally something.
Oh, fuck.
Dr. Blatt needs to make an announcement.
Secretary Milda, can you make an announcement to call the entire staff down to this room?
All the entire staff, please come to this room.
Thank you, Milda.
Looking for me, Dr. Blatt?
Yes, I am, Mitch.
How's it going? I just put my penis in a man's mouth.
Fantastic. Is everyone here? Everyone, it is important that any doctor in this hospital be here for this announcement.
Oh God! My mom!
Well, patients weren't supposed. That's fine.
I killed her.
She's dead.
Nurse Kitty's not here.
I killed her.
Where's Nurse Kitty?
She'll be fine. I'm a doctor. I've seen many patients like this. She'll be fine. Listen, everyone, I have to make an announcement.
Even more.
And it concerns all of you. But mainly the doctors. Will the doctors please step forward? Form a line. Someone get her out of the way. Over the past few weeks, we've had a lot of adventures, I would say, here at St. Ignatius. Be it super AIDS, heart cyst, baby murder.
Being raped by a saint.
My penis in a man's mouth.
Like I said, many things.
I killed a
server 20 minutes ago.
You know what? Let me finish my announcement. I've decided that, in the words of Danny Glover, I'm getting too old for this shit. Thus forth, after today, I am putting in my resignation.
No!
Now, I'm going to need to appoint a new doctor as chief of staff. Which is why it is very important that you pay attention, Mitch.
Right on top.
Now, I've been thinking a lot recently. Who to appoint? Mitch, would you be there? It's not you, Mitch. Back of the line. Fantastic. Kahlil?
What are you doing?
Get out of the way.
You've been a great friend over the years. And I would love to appoint you the new chief of staff. But I'm not going to. Back of the line. Tilly?
Dr. Blatt?
Come here. Now, I know you've had a lot of troubles with the drugs and all, going to rehab twice. But I think you've made a full recovery. And I am proud to announce that I will not fire you and you are not the chief of staff. Back of the line. So, who could the new chief of staff be? Who is a competent doctor?
Yeah, who?
Who can handle life and death?
Yeah, who?
I am proud to announce that the new chief of staff after today will be Teddy Madison.
No!
What?
The artist? The girly crybaby? The child! The baby doctor?
Congratulations, Teddy. Why don't we get back to this patient? Oh my God, she's dead.
How will the staff react to the new chief of staff? What happened to Dr. Hightower? And more to the point, what happened to that last scene? Find out next week on Trauma Center!